Hi everyone, are you looking for a complete Gojek clone? Are you looking for a complete all-in-one application where your users can order food, shop online from multiple sellers available? They can order bike, taxi. They can also book appointments for doctors and consultations, and they can also book electrician, plumbers and much more all in one app. Then this is the video for you. In this video we are going to discuss our ready-made multi-service application GoTuck, the complete Gojek similar application, and we are going to discuss how the GoTuck application admin works, how the admin can see everything in the admin panel and he can control everything by using the admin panel. So after watching this video, you will be able to understand how the GoTuck admin works. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the GoTuck admin. From here you can see all the users, all the providers, all the fleet owners and all the shops owners. You can also see different other paragraphs over here. Right now it doesn't have any data, that's why we cannot see much data over here. From here you can see all the requests that were assigned, cancelled and searched. You can also add a new request. So for example, if you want to add a manual booking for a taxi, you can do it from here and the booking will go to the nearest taxi person available. So this is the heat map. By using the heat map you can see the bookings, live bookings available by color coordinated. It can be filtered as a transport, that means a taxi or a bike booking, or order as mean multi-vendor, food ordering or multi-vendor, grocery ordering or multi-vendor, shopping. And the services, you can see the bookings by electrician, plumber and all these service providers bookings. So now let's check what is God's view. By the God's view you can see the live bookings available on your platforms and the user details also. So you can see the live bookings that is going on. You can also filter them by different order status. Again, you can filter the live bookings according to three filters: transport, order and service. From here you can see all the roles available and you can add a particular controlled admin over here. For here you can contact with your consultant. From here you can see all the users, all the registered users available on your platform. You can also enable or disable any user. You can also update their profile and change their profile. You can also add a new user from here. You can also export their detail in CSV, PDF and Excel. From here you can see all the providers. You can also disapprove or approve them. You can also change their detail and you can also export their detail in a PDF or doc file. You can see all the documents uploaded by the service providers or the shop owners from here. So the provider can be a taxi driver, a ride person or a delivery man. So the person who is going to deliver your product and be a driver profile on the platform will be a provider. From here you can control all the details of the provider. And now let's talk about the other details available on the GoTuck application admin. From here you can control all the services and its categories. You can also add new category and edit the detail of current category. You can see all the past request history from here. And from here you can see all the registered shops and sellers. You can change different details in their profile like their name, their number, their category and also their opening and closing time and much more. You can also add category in a seller's profile from here. You can also add items from the seller profile. You can also control different commissions that you want to take as an admin from seller from here. You can control all the vehicle types like a car, bike and other vehicles and their images you can control from here. From here you can control all the peak hours. From here you can control what document the provider or the seller need to get started on your application. From here you can add new discounts and coupon codes, and you can create them and give discounts to your customers. From here you can see all the user reviews and their ratings. From here you can see all the provider reviews and ratings. From here you can see all the shop types, and you can also add new shop types. From here you can see all the cuisine types available, especially for multi-vendor food. From here you can see other settings of the platform. Remember, most of these settings is not required for you to change. It is exactly done by the developer. For that you can connect with your developer. From here you can add new cities and new locations, and you can also disable or enable any location. Right now in our application there is Chennai and Bharatpur available as a location. You can add your location, and then that location will be appearing at the platform of your application, and when someone downloads and choose that location, they will be able to see all the data available in that location. From here you can add more countries and control the other countries. From here you can add more cities. From here you can see different menu types, and you can also change the menu type from here. So now let's talk about the other pages or other things available in the platform. From here you can see all the pages data, and you can change them. You can send a custom push notification, and the users will receive a push notification on their app register. And that's all about Gotak admin. I hope you like this video. If you have any of the query, you can directly connect with us, or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you, and I'll see you in the next video. If you are looking for an application like Gotak, you can directly contact our consultant by reaching us with the description details available. You can directly drop also a number in the comment below so our team can help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.